What's up guys, it's Alfie here from the PvZ GW channel. Welcome back to another video, and today we're playing the final part of Plants vs Zombies GW 2. But there will be a bonus episode after this, but it won't be too much. It'll just be me doing outtakes probably and stuff like that. And yeah, so yeah. Anyway, I'm now back with Betrayed Body 7. You guys thought he was probably gone for good, but he's not. It's just that he moved from Xbox 360 to Xbox One, and you know I haven't been able to capture on Xbox One for a while. And then GW2 has been the first videos I've captured on my Xbox One. So yeah, this is part 3. Me and Tender are gonna be doing some like, I don't know, well, you know, whatever this is called, backyard battleground, like, protecting this thing from these guys. Oh, I leveled up. And lots of you guys have been moaning about the volume of my voice. Well, this episode is definitely fixed. This has definitely fixed my voice. If you can even hear me this time, because in my past 2 videos, my editing and my voice, like audio, I guess you could say, was not there. You could hear the game's audio, you know. To Tender, I don't think it's a very good idea to be Captain Deadbeard. He sucks. Tender also doesn't have a mic anymore now, so that kind of sucks. So, Dad, open the reinforcements crate already. There we go. Well, we got 2 imps. A pylon imp and a normal imp. Okay. Oh God, there's weeds all around. Well, it doesn't surprise me. They're angry at us. Yay! All my money. Ted, you're not getting none. Haha. Do 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 do. Hey flag. Cosmic Brains and Super Brains also have a super jump, which is really helpful when you're escaping. Right, come on sunflowers. Come at us. Body 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 burr 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 burr. Oh, another reinforcements crate. Ted, go shoot it. Yeah, you go shoot it. I'm not going to shoot it because there's loads of stuff over there probably. Oh, there's a sunflower over there. Oh, here comes the sunflower squad. There's loads of them. Right, there we go. Oh no. Weeds. Oh, metal petal. Metal petal. Come on, power flower. Die. Oh, die weed, die. Oh. I'm on about half health. Let's heal up to whatever health I start on, which I think is 200. Yeah. Come on, when's the sunflower attack gonna end? I want the next one. Is that the last one? No, there's more. No! So much coins, that's all mine! Oh no, not pea shooters. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do. I'm nearly level 5. Oh, man, that Lorpy likes playing dodgeball, I guess, because I had to shoot like 10 bullets at that guy. Oh, there's some pea shooters. Ted, go get the reinforcements crate. That's like your duty. Come on, pea shooter. Die. There you go. Oh no. Weeds are attacking. Oh no. Die, Agent P. Oh, hello, weeds. Yeah, level 5. Yeah, if you've got GW2 beta, I recommend you do this backyard battle thing. It's really, really useful. You get so much coins out of it. So yeah, guys watching, you should definitely do that. I'm just saying. This music's very weird. So. Come on, pea shooters, die. I don't think these pea shooters want to die. It's very unacceptable. Dun, 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 dun. No. Oh. Whoa. Come on. Ah. Ted, you know this is a practice round, right? Frick. Oh, Ted, get the reinforcements crate, quickly. Right, off you go. Woo. Oh no! This cactus attacker's getting out of hand. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. Huh. Where's the chompers? No, it's still cactus. No! Die, cactus! Cactus, you deserve to die. Come on. Yoif! I'm getting that diamond. Getting it. Ah! You're gonna kill me. Okay. Okay, Ted. What are we gonna do? Oh no. This is very dangerous. We're in the wild. It's where all the plants are trying to kill us. Oh, ja. Come on. I got 2 swamp things. Oh, armor chomper, really? You're so slow that I just killed you. Very easy. Ah. Oh, Ted, get the reinforcements crate quickly. We don't have much time. We're definitely gonna die on the next round, I know it. We are definitely gonna die on the next round. Come on, Chomper. You look like an ice chomper, but you're not. Let's invite Tatenda back to the game. He randomly left. Right. He might have just gone for his lunch or something. Oh, send me a message. Tatenda, I can't answer the message right now. I'm getting killed by like 3 billion chompers. Oh my god. Right. Right. There you go. He's gone for his lunch. Okay. Oh, I'm never gonna survive this round. It's roses. I can't deal with roses. Huh. Die. Oh, whoa. Do-do. Do-do. Okay. Now I'm a go. So, oh no, they're gonna capture the. Oh, damn it. Yeah, they have so won. They're gonna catch it before I even get there. No. Oh yes. Okay, I still got a chance. There's still got a chance. No, not again. No. Oh, are you serious? No. No. Oh, damn it. I died. I just died. That was so sick. Anyway, guys, I think we're going to end the episode around here, maybe. Yeah, I think this is where we're going to end the episode. So, yeah. Hope you guys all enjoyed this episode. You know, remember to share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. All that stuff is what you need to do to keep this channel growing and to keep more content like Castle Miner Z, Minecraft and stuff. No, by the way, this isn't the end of GW2. This is a mini series. I'm going to be doing like character reviews later on. You know, loads of stuff like that. So anyway, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And yeah. Shoot the like button and the subscribe button with your plasma ball. Peace out.